This is crazy. We've been stuck here for like 15 minutes. Don't know what's going on. What happened?
This is road closed. You can see it from right around the corner.
Oh yeah. So the lady said the road is closed. See what happened. It said 1-lane road. They were doing utility work, but we have no idea what's going on here. Is it an accident? And check all these people. You would think that they would have like police or something. So let's cross the street. Well, it looks like it's just totally blocked over there. So much for the 1-lane road. It's a 0-lane road. Amazing, like no police, no nothing. Wonder how long these people have been waiting. And the kids are out.
I already walked down there.
Oh yeah.
You wanted an update?
Yeah, what did he say?
He said, okay, so yesterday at 4:30, a pole got hit.
Oh yeah?
A car hit a pole.
Uh-huh.
And you cut it off. He's very irritating me.
Oh,
It's okay.
okay.
Cut the pole off.
Uh-huh.
Everything was on the ground, no power since yesterday. Came back on about an hour ago, but they had to drop the lines again or something. They're trying to get the telephone line out of the mango tree.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank
Okay,
you.
and he said about 20 minutes ago, he said it was going to be another hour or two. I don't think it's going to be that long, but we'll see.
Okay, thanks. An hour or two. Bullshit. And there are no police. This is unbelievable. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go back to the car. Probably turn around, maybe go fishing. Nuts. Thanks for watching, and aloha.